The first thing I want up here is my Yak Attack Switchblade transducer arm. This is a really high quality transducer arm from what I can tell. Get all the parts out, read all our directions. Because in all honesty, I've got no idea how this thing goes together. Okay, so this looks like it comes with a ton of different options for how to mount this. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the track mount. Okay, so we've done our screw mount here. And I want it facing this way. We'll just run our piece up under there. And we'll lock her down. I think this edge right here might actually be a problem. Yeah. I may have to deck mount this. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and deck mount this. And the first step is to drill our holes. And I'm only going to drill 3 holes. Because that's all the screws that this came with. It only came with 3 and it needs 4. So the very first hole is going to be a flathead screw. Okay, flathead screw, and then it says to use a washer and one of the lock nuts on the back. So washer, lock nut. It says go ahead and put the first one through. So I'm gonna. I might need a little bigger hole. So now what we got to do is we got to reach in there from the underside and put our washer and lock nut on. Jeez Louise. Alright. That's a pain. Alright, so that's the end of the first step. That was absolutely difficult, I'm not going to lie. It might be easier on another kayak, but on this Ascend, that was a pain in the butt. So, I think now we got to get the mount system itself right here set up how we want. I'm pretty sure it is this piece first. So it says to cut off the one where you're not going to use it. I think I'm going to leave myself an extra just in case. So cut that right there. And you just use a little hacksaw to do it. So there's that. Now I believe I'm supposed to clamp that down. Okay, so I was missing the one screw right here. And then on this one I forgot to put the deal in the back side, so that's my bad. And then, but I've already got all that on there, and there's no way I'm going to go through and take it all off. So now what we'll do is I think we've got to mount our transducer and run the line for it. Alright, I got to get this transducer off of the trolling motor mount that it came with. So I sized up the hole on this transducer to 1/4 inch to accommodate this bigger screw that this comes with. Golly, and it's still just barely big enough. And I drilled the wrong hole. So there's our angle we need. Let's just keep tightening this sucker down. Oop, I'm going the wrong way. Now I gotta check the angle again, dang it. Perfect. Alright, well that actually worked out pretty good. That looks pretty darn good. Oh, I can take this piece off. I think I'm going to. The less I've got on here, the better. Check the depth. Oh man, I don't think that could actually be any more perfect. So now all we have is just this one arm that can swing front, back, forward, to the side, however I need it to. Okay, so the next part is zip tying this cord here. There we have it.